saw Bradford Whelan, you will film landscape-wise. If you don't care, then you haven't met him. All right, on me in 5, 6, 7. Swing time. Hi, Doug Silton, DougSilton.com, hailing from Portland, Oregon. This was our Friday noon workshop, and level 1, I was talking about efficiency of movement. So the first thing was the hand grip, also known as the rock star or the inverse Spock. The drill I gave you was to put one arm in front of the other, palm down, heel attaches, suck the fingers up, and hide the pinky and index to create more of a convex instead of concave shape. From here, we had the pull against your own ring lines to make sure we had a straight line from elbow to elbow. Then I talked about moving to and from the wrist. So as a follower, instead of moving statically with my frame, I move my body faster than my frame to move into my wrists and away from my wrists. Then I'm assuming direction and rotation, but not a pattern. Leaders, it was moving back through our sugar push, and we're getting the pressure into our palm, not into our fingers, and we're keeping our arms parallel to the floor as much as possible, depending upon our body style, and our followers' body length, arm length, height, leg length, etc. Then we moved into our whip. For the leaders, I said we're going to stay on the slot, we're going to pivot together, and then we're going to look and hug to send our follower down the line. So we're not getting out of the way and dancing the railroad track technique. Followers are moving into your own wrist, you're moving away from your wrist, and then when the leader brings you in, that's when you're going to pivot and move backwards with the look hug technique there as well. Then we went to the sugar push, and then we did the right to right, which was moving offset from your partner, so we have the web of the hand, and left side, the web of the hand. Then we did the pre-lead, and that was for the whip, so I have a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Last step of the anchor, 5 and a 6, with the ultimate hand grip and the pre-lead. When I released that on 2, it turned my follower's hips a quarter turn, so that I could lead a whip if I chose. Thank you guys so much for coming out and hanging out with me. See you at 3 o'clock for the Shack Workshop.